Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make scrolling credit text on CapCut PC. It's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you guys have to open up CapCut application on your PC or laptop. So after opening the CapCut application on your PC or laptop, you have to just simply tap on this create project button to open up the project window. So after opening up the project window in your CapCut, you have to just simply import the specific media which you want to allow on your timeline. Just simply drag and drop the text button here at the top, here the text corner. Just simply drag and drop this layer. So after dragging and drop this layer, you have to paste the scrolling credit. So you guys can clearly see it. It is by default I have put a random list of text. Now what you have to do is, just in order to make a scrolling credit text, you have to just simply go to where you have to adjust the playhead to the position where you want your scrolling text to get started. For example, here I want to get started, so you have to just simply place it at the here in the middle, and here you have to just simply make sure that it's starting from here at the top. So after top, and now here you have to just scroll down and just simply make sure that you have checked the mark to the, you have to add a keyframe here. So after adding the keyframe at the starting position, now you have to go to adjust your playhead to where you want your credit scrolling text to get end. Now you have to just simply adjust it and make it like this, and you have to just simply scroll up here and swipe up here, and until you will be able to touch the bottom line. Just a second, and you guys can clearly see we have now touched to bottom line. Now what you have to do is just simply play the video again, and in this way you guys can create a scrolling bottom text here. Now you guys can see it is too fast. For that you have to just simply big the layer size. So I'm just make the size of layer bigger, and you have to adjust the keyframe according to that. Now you guys can clearly see our scrolling text credit has been added. And here is the way to add scrolling text credit in your CapCut PC. I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.